Okay, this is 93 Gapeach here, making a video about the Lego police dog and Lego white horse. So, as you can see right here, the horse doesn't look big, but compared to the police dog, it really beats it. Okay, so on features about the horse like his neck can bend up and down. So I think that's pretty cool. But what I think is not cool is that it doesn't have any eyes in the front. So it just looks pretty weird and wrong. It shows out a lot of things, like it has a good tail, and it has cheekbones. You can see the cheekbones, and it also has the like stripe of fur on the top. It has good ears too, so and pretty big eyes. On to the police dog. The police dog is pretty small. From front to back, it only takes up 3 studs, so I think that's small. And it only has 1 stud at the top, and the horse has 2. So in front to side, it only does 1. It only takes up 1 stud from like one side to the other side. So, and it has a black marking on the nose. And this dog is pretty cool because the eyes are actually like technically on the front too, and it has pretty big ears. So I think that's cool. And it has a tail, and you can actually see a little bit of stomach. If you can see, there's a little bit of stomach right there. And it's pretty shiny. The texture is really smooth, like strips, you know. So that's all for now. Until next video, this is 93 Guppy.